channel. Thanks for clicking. Good news. Good news, real good news. I just bought a Diablo Trinity tune, the T2. And I was ready and willing to put it in this morning, or to install it this morning. But my dumb ass filled up the gas tank with 89 like 2 days ago. So now, and I'm trying to tune for 93. So now I'm stuck riding around trying to burn this off so I can upload my tune. But yeah, I'm gonna get an email tune and then I'm gonna upload that. But right now I'm stuck trying to burn down this E89, and then I gotta put 93 in here and tune for that, and then I get my email tune, which is gonna be within a matter of days. Right now I'm a little bit above a half a tank. But since I'm riding around anyway, I'm finna shoot out to an undisclosed location and see if I can record some 0 to 60s before I get the tune, just to see how big of a difference it makes. And I'll let y'all know when I get that. All right, so shit. Got somebody coming up fast. I have to get up out of there. So I was able to record 2 0 to 60s. The first one, I had sport mode on, traction control off, paddle shifters off, and I had my air blowing, or my heater blowing. And it was on a slight decline, and I also ran it from about 1,500 to 2,000 RPM because I was holding the brakes and the gas, because you know RTs ain't got launch control. But I was able to get a 5.84 out of that. Ran it the second time, had the air off, still had the same setup, sport mode on, traction control off, no paddle shifters. And like there was a split-second delay from the time I smashed the gas to the time this truck actually took off, and I still ran a 6.29. That's damn good, man, because seeing as the last time I think I was like bone stock and I ran like a 6.8 or a 7. Right now this is only with a an air intake, X pipe, and a Gibson Axleback exhaust. I haven't even put the tune on here yet, and I'm kind of already happy with my numbers. So when I finally do put it in, I'm guesstimating I can do a 5.5. Y'all let me know what y'all think. What y'all prediction gonna be? I mean, I don't know if you guess right, or I'll shout you out in the next video or something, I guess. I mean, that's about all I got. Yeah, if you guess right, because I can't give away no shit, I'm not sponsored. If you guess what my 0 to 60 will be with a tune, I'll shout you out in my next video. But I don't know. Still a lot of day left. It's only 10:30 in the morning. Let's see if we can get some more runs in. Police behind me, I gotta go. Right now, me, and I'm sure if you can see all the way in the back, you finna see Alpha Scat TV hop the hill. We finna run this Durango a little bit. We finna, I guess you can call it a comparison. We finna see just how much faster the 392 is than the 345. Which I know I'm gonna get dusted. But, I mean, for the sake of me trying to just run out gas, it's kind of worth it. so we are at our undisclosed location, which I can't speak about. We're going to see just how much faster the 392 is than 345, which, like I said before, I'm pretty sure I'm going to get blown out the water, but it's nice to have some type of comparison anyway. He's trying to get his launch control right. He can't do it for some reason. He don't know why, I don't know why. That car loud as hell. But right now we're gonna see just how much faster. We got Alpha Scat still trying to figure out how the damn launch control works. So once he get his butt back down here, we gonna run a pass or two, probably forward and back. And damn, he got sideways on that one. I got the GoPro on the outside so y'all can see exactly how we finna do this. But without further ado, man, let's get to the video. Oh wait, hold on, that is. You got it? Sun's killing. All right, that right there. There we go. I don't know what to say. He eased into it and still spanked me. Good news is that gas tank is low. Y'all know what that means. Time to put some 93 in here and upload this tune. Y'all stay tuned. Literally. Yep, there you go. That lightning came on, cause I'm down to my last little bit. Time to stop at the gas station. Hell no. Can I pick one? Motherfucker. Put this shit down there. Push the 93 button. See what that shit rack up. All right, so we got gas, made it to the house. Now it's time to put the tone in. First, we got to disconnect the battery, which I didn't know is actually under my passenger seat. But you can see Mac Man trying to undo it.
Who the fuck is Mac Man? What that tile at?
But yeah, we got to do that. Then after that, we got to find a way to take this off of here, because this is where the PCM sits. It's under this flap. So once we get under here, we can take out the PCM, replace it, and then upload the tune. We running out of daylight, so we trying to hurry up and get this shit done. At least the disassembly part of it, but we gonna get it. Finally got it connected. He over there caking on the phone. Man, it's freaking dark. Lights flashing on and off every couple seconds. Alright, so the PCM and the tune is finally in. Just a can tune, but we got it. The PCM was probably the worst thing, because for some reason one of the latches didn't want to unlock. If anybody having problems getting their PCM off and it's the latch or trying to pull one off, let me know. Trust me. I mean, it's a simple fix. And it took us hours to figure it out. But as you can see, it's nighttime. It took us a while, but we finally got it in. Remember, comment what you think my next 0 to 60 gonna be. That's probably gonna be in the next video. If you guess correctly, I'm guessing 5.5. But if you guess anything other than that and you guess correctly, I got your shout out. Trust me. But I appreciate y'all for rocking with me, man. Just remember, stay on your A game always. Y'all be blessed. Man.
Alpha Scat, go subscribe.
Right.